What's the meaning of acknowledge? Acknowledge. 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 The term acknowledge refers to the act of recognizing or acknowledging the existence, presence, or validity of something. This can be in the form of admitting a mistake, accepting an apology, or expressing gratitude for something received. Acknowledging someone shows respect and helps build trust in relationships. Acknowledgement can be verbal or nonverbal, and it plays an essential role in communication as it ensures that all parties involved are on the same page. It also promotes clarity and mutual understanding, which is critical to effective communication and problem solving. In summary, acknowledging means giving recognition or accepting something as valid or true.